Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to bind records into a repeater control from database using ADO.NET Entity Data Model. Here we got the final output. The employee table is binded into the repeater control. Let's check the employee table also. This is the employee table is binded into this repeater control. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new ASP.NET project. Go to File, New Project. And from the web templates, I am selecting ASP.NET Web Application and the .NET Framework I am using 4.6.1. The application name is Binding Data Repeater Control. Click OK. And from the templates, I am selecting the empty. OK. And here the project is created successfully. Let's open Solution Explorer. Now in this project, I am adding a new web form page. Right click the project name, add new item. I am selecting web form. The web form name is get data repeater control RC. Add. And here we got the source page of the newly created get data rc.aspx page. After adding the new web form, now the next step, open Solution Explorer. I click the project name, add. I'm adding ADO.NET Entity Data Model to this project. Select that one. The item name is EMP model. OK. And from the model contents, I'm selecting the first option. Click Next. Create new connection. I'm adding SQL server name. After adding server name, I'm selecting the database name. SampleDB is my user database. I have selected that one. Test connection is succeeded. OK. OK. Here is the connection string. The name of the connection string is a SampleDB entities, and I am saving this connection string in the web.config file. Click Next, and I am selecting the version Entity Framework 6.x. Next. From the database objects, I am expanding the tables as well as DBO. For this demo purpose, I am selecting the employee table. Click Finish. And here the employee model is added into our project. After adding the employee model, switch to the source code. Now in the source page, between the form and due tag, H1, how to bind data into the repeater control from database. H2, using ADO.NET Entity Data Model. Horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I am adding a repeater control. Open toolbox. Come to the bottom. In the data folder, there is a repeater control. Here it is. Now after adding the repeater control, right click the mouse, go to View Code, and in the source code, in the page.event, the first I'm adding my database context, which is a SampleDB DB entities as D is equals to new SampleDB entities. After that, I'm binding the employee table into the repeater control. So repeater 1, which is a repeater control ID dot data source is equals to sd dot employees dot toList method. repeater one dot data bind method. That's it, we have binded the employee table into the repeater control. But in the source page, we need to add the item templates. We need to add the templates, header template first. I'm adding table, copy this, item template, and the last one is a footer template. In the footer template, I'm closing the table. Now in the header template, th table header, which is the ID, table header, name, table header, email, and table header is a salary. In the item template, TD table rows. Now between this TD, I am adding a label control. Open toolbox, label control. Now from this label control, in the text property, I'm deleting this label, single quotes, percentage, hash, eval. Between double quotes, I'm adding the column name, ID, I'm deleting. Let's copy this one. The second column name is a name, the third one is the email, and the fourth one is a salary. That's it, we have done the complete coding part to bind the employee table into a repeater control using ADO.NET Entity Data Model. Let's check the results on the Google Chrome. And here we got the final output. The employee table is binded into this repeater control. Let's add the border to this table and stop debugging. Table border property is equals to 1. I'm rerunning the browser link. Here we got the final output. The employee table is binded into the repeater control. Let's check the employee table also. This is the employee table is binded into this repeater control. That's it.